This spacious 5-bedroom 4-bathroom pool home is located in the desirable Silver Lake area of Leesburg, Florida. This wonderful ranch style is situated in a neighborhood with no HOA fees. There are 3 large storage sheds on the west side of the property. There are 2 HVAC systems and 2 septic tanks with filter to accommodate over 2,600 square feet of living space. There is plenty of backyard space fenced for the kids and dogs. And the front porch has 2 separate entrances. Perfect for college student or mother-in-law situation. You would be hard-pressed to find a pool home with so much square footage for the money. Entire pool deck has recently been sealed for outdoor Florida fun. Freshly painted neutral color interior walls. Wood, laminate flooring in the living room. And ceramic tile in the kitchen and dining areas. Ceiling fans throughout the home. Brand new carpeting in the 3 west side bedrooms. A master suite on opposite sides of the home, each having a private full bathroom. This house has 4 bathrooms, so it is perfect for large or multi-blended families.